Now, your first warm weather forecast with meteorologist Joey Marino.
Good morning, everybody, and happy Tuesday. Yesterday's high of 93 degrees just adds on to this hot start to the month of July. In fact, first 6 days, we've had an average high temperature of 91.7 degrees. That's the fifth warmest start to the month of July on record for the Rockford area. First place goes to 2012, which was just short of the 100-degree mark. Now, we're going to add another 90-degree day onto that going into this afternoon, but starting off warm but quiet out there as we take a live look at our Mercy Health SkyTrack camera overlooking Beloit, Wisconsin. Got a beautiful view of the Rock River there, but also pretty quiet for those that are going to be traveling out on the roads this morning. Temperatures are slightly warmer to start from 24 hours ago. We're off in the low 70s in most locations, 71 in Rockford, 72 up in Janesville, 75 now up in Monroe, 71 in Freeport, 68 to start in Savannah, and 67 down in Rochelle. Winds are fairly light out there out of the south and southeast. We got calm winds down in Rochelle, also up in Janesville, 3 here in Rockford, 9 up in Monroe, and calm in Savannah. So high pressure is keeping us pretty quiet out there this morning. You can see on satellite and radar just a little bit of high clouds that are moving in from the northwest, but we're rain free this morning. So anybody who's going to be traveling for the morning commute on Interstate 39, maybe Highway 20, isn't going to run into any issues getting to their destination. Now, a pretty quiet start for much of the Great Lakes region and also portions of the Midwest. Once again, we do have this cluster of showers and thunderstorms that substantially weakened over the last hour, moving into Iowa, so we're not going to be bothered by that today, but we do have a chance to see a few isolated showers and thunderstorms later on today, and that's because of a weak disturbance that's going to be passing through higher up in the atmosphere. So let's take a look at that using FUTURECAST. We do start off with mostly sunny skies, but I think that we get to see an increase in cloud cover heading into the afternoon, and with the summer-like heat and humidity still sticking around, that's going to allow for an isolated shower or thunderstorm to start popping up around 2-3 o'clock, and they're going to be very scattered in nature as that weak disturbance passes to our north, but still we do have the best chance for an isolated thunderstorm or shower between 3 o'clock and sunset. Once sunset happens, that's when we'll see that threat end, and that's going to leave us partly cloudy for the night tonight. Now, starting off pretty quiet for the day tomorrow, but tomorrow is going to be slightly warmer than today with a high of 94. Once again, keeping a slight chance for an isolated shower or thunderstorm for the late afternoon and evening hours, but once again, once sunset hits, that's when we'll see that threat diminish, and that'll lead to the best chance for thunderstorms, which happens to be on Thursday. So yesterday we had a high of 92 and the highest heat index value was 95. But today, tomorrow, and also Thursday, we're going to continue with highs in the low 90s and seeing that heat index around 95 to 100 degrees. So definitely need to practice heat safety precautions if you're going to be outside working for a prolonged period of time. Now, the Climate Prediction Center has the best chance for above average temperatures right here in the state line and the Great Lakes, and once again across the southern plains area. So the summer-like heat and humidity is going to continue into the start of next week, but we do see a bit of a cool down for the weekend. Temperatures going down into the upper 80s. Back to you.
It's crazy to think 80 will be a cool down. Thanks a lot, Joey.